Hello and welcome. If you are a recruitment professional who wants to enhance your recruitment skill set, you are at the right place. My name is Arun from USIT Recruit. So in this modern world, we have been seeing AI, that is artificial intelligence, has been growing a lot. So which makes our jobs come down. So everyone are in the fear of losing our jobs. So in order not to be a trap in this kind of a layoffs, so we at USIT Recruit have come up with a 2-hour workshop on Chat GPT for recruiters. So still, if you're not aware or unheard about Chat GPT is an AI model which will give you responses just like human when you give the prompt. In this workshop, you're gonna learn everything what recruiter can able to do it by 10x speed. And you can increase your productivity and you can able to be a self-sufficient recruiter now. What are you still waiting for? Click on the link just below this video and sign up for this workshop. See you there.